AMP presently exchanges close $0. The amount really is right now at $0, which by and large is very huge. AMP in every practical sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0 a sort of significant manner. AMP keeps extremely descending development today and in all things considered, significant way. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and attempt to answer these as often as possible really clarified some things. What all things considered is certainly momentary cost expectation for AMP, generally as AMP and especially wise interest in an unpretentious manner. AMP support and opposition levels and so forth, which basically is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the AMP specialized examination, really let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,154,329,028,372, which generally is very huge. The by and large complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $44,480,359,250 or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%. By and large further appearance how AMP support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value diminishing of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time period, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span in a genuinely huge manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, is somewhere around 3.99 and right now exchanging at 45 cents. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%. Genuinely further appearance how AMP support and opposition levels and so forth, which most certainly is very critical. These occasions truly show that the market truly is going in a for the most part descending course for commonly present moment, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, kind of additional appearance how AMP support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is very critical. As of now, a genuinely broad, most certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which really is genuinely critical. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a fundamentally significant way. Support really is a level at which purchasers generally become sort of more extremely dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, kind of additional appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in a by and large enormous manner. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which merchants generally become move truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Truly further appearance how AMP at present exchanges close $0. The amount for the most part is as of now at $0, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP basically is at $0, down 2.27% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours and truly has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $5,028,737.00 while exceptionally all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 USD in a genuinely significant manner. There fundamentally are practically 42,227,702,186 are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which basically shows that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Exceptionally further appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is genuinely huge. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for the 22nd of April 2023 inside an everyday time span. All things considered, made sense of beneath in a by and large huge manner. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving certainly normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including commonly basic moving pretty normal and dramatic moving extremely normal to generally examine the future development of the AMP, showing how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in an exceptionally descending heading for kind of present moment, exhibiting how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%. Further appearance how AMP support and opposition levels and so on in an exceptionally enormous manner. While AMP's Williams percent R pointer by and large is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition, an exchange in every practical sense. Signal for the most part is conceivable at this reach, which especially shows that AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0, or so they for the most part thought. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, which fundamentally is very critical. AMP financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day outline. In every practical sense, further appearance how the MACD line especially is remaining beneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid in an unpretentious manner. The primary help level for AMP explicitly is at $0. The sort of second one for the most part is at $0, showing how the principal support level for AMP in a real sense is at $0. The kind of second one truly is at $0 a by and large enormous manner. While taking about opposition, the AMP generally has R1 and R2 at $0, which shows that the kind of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $44,480,359,250 in an every practical sense, enormous way. RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 45 and generally is attempting to break out of the nonpartisanship zone, which truly shows that AMP as of now exchanges close $0. The MS sort of is right now at $0, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. ENS AMP for the most part is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to for the most part suggest that the digital money really is in a dubious circumstance that can't especially be corrected, exhibiting the way in which these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market essentially is going in every practical sense, descending course for sort of present moment, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. Kind of additional appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of significant manner, regardless of whether the value sort of is falling consistently. It really is guessed that the two help levels will especially